What's up, guys? My name is Brayden Bella, and today we're unboxing the Mavic Pro. Right, so on to the unboxing. We are going to open this flap. I have a very ghetto overhead rig above me. Just my iPhone. Set that aside. Alrighty, so how am I gonna go about opening this? Okay, it looks like there's a couple flaps right here. My gosh. Look at that, guys. Just look at that. Look at that. Look at that packaging. That packaging is amazing. Okay, so here we go. So first of all, we got the... This is quite heavy. And actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Okay, so we'll put that aside. Alright guys, so this is the bag. We're gonna open it here. Where is it? Okay, there's a zipper here. Right, so in this first pouch right here, we got... Okay, so these are cords. Okay, I'm just gonna... We're actually gonna take these out here. Oh my gosh. So I guess these are the cords that you can attach your phone to the controller, which I hope is in here. Got some manuals right here. Okay. We got a strap for the bag. We got a little, I guess this is like a, I'm not sure what this is. I think it's like a little battery thing. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll take the chargers out. So this is the, this is the car charger, because as you can see it has like this little cigarette thing. Thing you plug in to the outlet in your car. You charge the battery. Wow, this thing is a lot smaller than I actually realized. Like, look at this thing. It's super small. Alright, we'll leave that off to the side here. The actual charger itself looks pretty nice. I'm liking this. Alrighty. We got some more cords here. We got various different cords. I don't know how to use these just yet, but we'll figure it out. Look at this, guys. There's already so much stuff on the table. Okay, so this is the charging hub. Look at this thing. It's like, damn. Look at that. That's just crazy. Alright. And the moment of truth. Hold on. It's kind of wedged in there. The styrofoam. No, just kidding. The DJI Mavic controller. This thing is pretty heavy, actually. A lot heavier than I thought it would be. Look at this thing. It's so cool. Just look at that. How does this work? Okay, that's cool. Does it like come out? Whoa. Whoa. So you put your phone right. So you put your phone right here and you control the drone. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. Right. So we got the extra propellers in here too. Okay, so this is how it comes. Comes in like this weird packaging. Alright, whoa. Yeah. That's kind of cool. That's pretty nifty. Alright, well, I'll put that off to the side. Same thing you've all been waiting for. The drone itself. Alrighty. Oh my gosh. I'm kind of freaking out, man. Yo, I'm gonna put that off to the side. This is the DJI Mavic, and it's mine. This thing is pretty darn heavy. Like, actually, I put that over there. Like, look at this. It's pretty heavy, but it's still like so small. And you have the gimbal right there. Man, Brie, what do you have to say about this? 10 out of 10? All right. And then we got 2 extra batteries. One battery here, and then one there. These batteries are small. Pretty cool. Yeah. Whoa! They turned on. Like, well, for a second they turned on. Look at that. Green light. Whew. So yeah, guys, that was the unboxing of the DJI Mavic Pro. I am so ready to fly this thing. I can't wait. It's going to be so exciting. I'm going to get so many great shots. I'm just so happy, like, because I wanted something like this for a long time. I probably said this in a couple other videos, but I'm gonna say it again. I really wanted a drone for a long time, and I finally have one. You know, I said this thing was heavy, but now that I'm really holding it, it's actually pretty darn light. And last night I was setting it up, and the low light is actually pretty impressive, and I can't wait to fly. So stay tuned for me flying the drone, which will be tomorrow, and it's gonna be so lit. I have so many ideas. I'm actually gonna try to see if I can get my sister to fly it too, so that she's able to fly it and I can get shots of me. So we'll see how good the shots turn out after one day of me learning how to fly it. I've been looking up a couple YouTube tutorials so far, and yeah. So yeah, guys, please like the video, comment down below on a scale from 1 to 10 how epic the shots are gonna be with this thing. I'm so psyched. And like always, guys, hit the subscribe button, just hit it, and like always, guys, just do it. Subscribe and shoot!